Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic maximum power transfer theorem and the reciprocity theorem. The first one is maximum power transfer theorem. The statement is, in a DC circuit, the maximum power is transferred from a source to the load when the load resistance is made equal to the resistance of the network as viewed from the load terminals, with the load removed and all the sources replaced by their internal resistance. The procedure for the maximum power transfer theorems on the first step to find the RTH. RTH is nothing but the Thevenin's resistance. The procedure to find the RTH are to remove the load resistance and open circuit the current source and short circuit the voltage source. Second one, we find the VOC. VOC is nothing but the open circuit voltage or Thevenin's voltage. The procedure is to remove the load resistance. In step 3, Thevenin's resistance equal to the load resistance. Step 4, draw the equivalent circuit. And step 5, find the maximum power value. The formula for maximum power is VOC square divided by 4 into RTH. The first problem, calculate the value of RL so that the maximum power is transferred from the battery. Here the 50 volt source, the resistance are 10 ohm and 10 ohm. We have to calculate the RL value. Step 1, to find the RTH value. To remove the load resistance and short circuit the voltage source, the diagram will be like that. 10 ohm and 10 ohms are connected in parallel. We know the formula for parallel, R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. To substitute the value, we get the RTH is equal to 5 ohm. In step 2, to find the VOC or VTH, to remove the load resistance. So VOC is equal to VAB equal to 50 into 10 divided by 10 plus 10, that is total voltage into same resistance divided by total resistance. The VOC value is 25 volt. In step 3, according to the maximum power transfer theorem, the maximum power is transferred to the load resistor only when the load resistance is equal to RTH. So RTH is equal to RL equal to 5 ohm. Then draw the equivalent circuit. Is same as that of the Thevenin's theorem. We substitute the VOC, RTH and RL value. Step 5, to find the maximum power value, we know the formula VOC square divided by 4 into RTH. To substitute the value, VOC is equal to 25 volt, RTH is equal to 5 ohm. The maximum power value is 31.25 watt. The second problem, find the value of maximum power to R. B, determine the maximum power to R for the given network. Here 20 volt source, the resistance of 5 ohm. We have to calculate the RTH value. The first one, find the RTH. Here the 5 ohm and 5 ohms are connected in parallel. This parallel combination is series with this 5 ohm resistance. So we get the value RTH is equal to 7.5 ohm. The next theorem is reciprocity theorem. In any linear network containing bilateral linear resistance and energy sources, the ratio of the voltage V introduced in one mesh to the current I in any second mesh is the same as the ratio obtained if the position of V and I are interchanged, other voltage source being removed. The reciprocity theorem leads to a definition of the transfer resistance RT, where V is the voltage in mesh 1 and I is the current in the second mesh. So RT12 equal to V1 divided by I2 equal to RT21 equal to V2 by I1. The first problem is, the network shown in figure, find the current in the 8 ohm resistor, verify the reciprocity theorem. Here we have to calculate the current flowing through the 8 ohm resistor. So already we know the formula, current I is equal to V by R. So V is a 40 and R is the 8 ohm. We get the 5 amps. And changing the voltage source to the 8 ohm branch, we transfer the voltage source here. So we know the formula I is equal to V by R, substitute the 5 amps. Here the reciprocity theorem is verified. In the circuit of figure, find I3 and verify the reciprocity theorem. In the circuit, it can consisting of the 3 loop. First, we form the equation loop 1, loop 2, loop 3. In loop 1, we get 28I1 minus 20I2 minus 6I3 equal to 20. In loop 2, 20I1 minus 28I2 plus 4I3 equal to 0. In loop 3, the answer is 6I1 plus 4I2 minus 12.75I3 equal to 0. We form the matrix. The del value is 2480 and we find del I3 is equal to 4960. We calculate the I3 value. We know the formula I3 is equal to del I3 divided by del. Substitute the value, we get I3 is equal to 2 amps. Now, transferring the battery to the branch with 2.75 ohms. So, the voltage source is replaced from to here. Again, we calculate the loop 1 equation, loop 2 and loop 3 equation. We get 12.75 I1 minus 4 I2 minus 6 I3 equal to 20. It's for loop 1 equation. In loop 2, we get 4 I1 minus 28 I2 plus 20 I3 equal to 0. In loop 3, we get 6 I1 plus 20 I2 minus 28 I3 equal to 0. Again, we form the matrix, calculate the del value 2480 and calculate del I3. The value of del I3 is equal to 4960. So, calculate the I3 value. We get I3 is equal to 2 amps, which verify reciprocity theorem. Thank you.